Hey, what is going on, everyone? Thank you for stopping by to watch another episode here at alliseeisW, where we talk about finance and self-development. Well, today I wanted to create this video on Sunday to share with you my insights on two top tickers that I feel can add so much value to your investment portfolio. But before I begin, I'd like to inform you that all of the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only. And anytime when you do consider making an investment, please always make sure to do your research as well. Now, the first ticker I wanted to share with you is Inovio Pharmaceuticals by the ticker INO. So currently we know that within the past 2 weeks, this ticker has been bull running up from its prior low of like $8 when it had its open offering for selling its shares at $8.50. Now, the fact that it's bull run up close to like $13.50, that just tells you that this company can potentially grow by like 5 to 10-fold increase, even with news in the consumer market where we've seen like GameStop and AMC tickers just skyrocketing. Well, you know what? In the biotech industry, whenever there's news that gets released or announced, companies can technically bull run and catapult upward significantly as well. And the fact that Inovio Pharmaceuticals had overcome adversity. So for example, in 2020, at the time when the company bull run all the way up to like $35, there was a short seller, Citron, who brought the company down. And right at the moment when he tweeted bad information about Inovio Pharmaceuticals, that's when a lot of shorters actually shorted the company, and for that reason the share price started tumbling downward. However, to me, adversity is the mother of all success, and that is why I feel like it's going to be Inovio's time to shine like a chandelier. And the fact that now we're in the season of high demand needs for biotech industry to come out with highly effective and safe vaccines. That's why Inovio Pharmaceuticals, the stigma will change, where DNA will be the name of the game. We know that RNA-based vaccines aren't really as effective. We've heard about J&J's efficacy data only hitting at the 60% level. So that just positions Inovio Pharmaceuticals to be able to showcase itself not only with the INO 4800 intended for the COVID-19, but also in multiple areas such as dysplasia, which is VGX data in phase 3, glioblastoma in phase 2 clinical trials, MERS, the INO 4800, which is the original design of the current Inovio 4800 vaccine for the COVID-19. So the fact that it's derived its vaccine, the INO 4800, from the MERS vaccine, and the fact that INO 4700 is in clinical trials phase 2, that just demonstrates that the whole entire portfolio with its DNA product pipeline is going to be very promising once we get FDA approval on multiple vaccine plays. Now, with the current share price, for me, my exit strategy is $80 to $100. I'm trying to reel in a tuna, not small sardines and anchovies. And for that reason, I'm holding long-term with Inovio Pharmaceuticals because I believe in the science, the technology, as well as the leader who's leading and inspiring the team right now, Joseph Kim. I mean, with him, he has so many educational background with his experience. So for example, he has a finance MBA, he has a degree in economics, he has a bioengineering undergraduate degree, and he also has an engineering background as well. And to me, that just solidifies his expertise in understanding the product innovation. And with Joseph Kim as a businessman, I firmly believe that the catapult will likely come very soon with Inovio Pharmaceuticals. Now, the next company I wanted to share with you is a biotechnology company that's based out in San Diego, as well as Inovio Pharmaceuticals, and that's SKYE Bioscience. Now, what's so unique about SKYE Bioscience, right? Well, this company about 3 weeks ago, it was previously known as Emerald Bioscience. Well, the fact that there's a new leader on board, CEO since 2020, Puneet Dhillon, he has definitely repositioned the company in a sense where now the company has a new key element, and that's executing. I mean, before, Emerald Bioscience didn't have a true leader who knew how to lead and inspire, and most importantly, execute on its glaucoma program. Currently, the company is focused on developing a prodrug called THC-VHS, which is a bioengineered synthetic formula that is patented, where it is intended to be used on patients dealing with glaucoma in the eye, where you can develop blindness. Now, what the drug is intended to do is to reduce the intraocular pressure. That's the leading cause of glaucoma, an irreversible disease where it causes blindness. Now, there's also another preclinical trial study that's ongoing right now to demonstrate neuroprotective effects. Now, once this company is able to demonstrate that its drug product can provide neuroprotection as well as significantly reducing intraocular pressure, then this could potentially open up a new billion-dollar sector where patients dealing with glaucoma but have a normal IOP, they can actually take this prodrug to prevent glaucoma from ever occurring. And that's a billion-dollar sector, especially in like India, in like China. There's just so much people that do have classification of glaucoma but normal IOP levels. Well, the fact that there's people out there that need drugs that can boost the reduction of intraocular pressure, that's going to be the cash driver for this company as well. And I firmly believe that Puneet Dhillon, the CEO of SKYE Bioscience, will position this company to start getting towards the right direction, getting into human clinical trials in the second half of the year. And in Q2, we shall hear the results from its current preclinical trials data to further validate the reduction of intraocular pressure, as well as demonstrating neuroprotection. That shall come out in the next quarter, while the two studies of reducing intraocular pressure by comparing it to the traditional drugs developed by large-scale pharmaceutical companies, as well as doing a standalone neuroprotection experiment right now. That just shows that this company is laser-sharp focused, and I firmly believe that the company is now understanding how to execute, as well as taking strong control of the finance and clinical program and performing enabling pre-IND studies right now to position itself to scale up. And once this company gets into phase 2 clinical trials with its THC-VHS product portfolio, then I firmly believe the inflection point for this company will come, and for that reason the catapult will take place and the share price will hover up above the whole dollar share price range and potentially up to like $10 in the future. And that's my firm belief with this company because of its true purpose, trying to advance medical unmet needs in the ocular space. And I firmly believe once the company is able to demonstrate safety and efficacy as well as tolerability with human data, that's when this company will open up new doors, as well as in the lens of regulatory, where eventually this company will be able to tap into different markets. But the true focus right now is to have a laser sharp focus in the ocular space. And once that can be nailed down with safety and efficacy data, then this company is going to take off. And for that reason, I'm a long-term holder of this company, and I'm very excited with having a new rebranding, a new CEO in place, and most importantly, having a product that actually works. And if held long-term, that's when you can capitalize on significant positive proceeds. So overall, I just wanted to share with you my insights on these two tickers in terms of how you can gain significant positive proceeds if held long-term with these value-add companies, biotech companies based out in San Diego, California. So I hope that this video added value in a sense that it gave you new insight on the direction of where these two tickers are headed. And for that reason, I just wanted to say thank you. And let's say if you're new to investing where you don't have a trading account platform, I would highly recommend checking out Webull. And let's say if you check the link down below that I'll be providing to you, you can gain on 4 free stocks, and it can be anywhere between the range of like $10 to $250. So please take advantage of the link that I share with you. And also, I do have an alliseeisW merchandise store for you to check out. So let's say if you're an authentic follower, please take a look and support my online merchandise as well. So once again, just wanted to create this video to share with you my insights, and I hope that this was a value add. And just want to say have a wonderful Sunday before the stock market opens, and let's gain on positive proceeds and lead with an altruistic mindset. Well, thanks again. Have a wonderful day, all.